Hi everyone, my name is Wong Chun Sung. I'm 28 years old. I am mixed Chinese Malay. My father is Chinese and my mother is Malay. I have one brother and one sister. Uh, my hobby is playing futsal. Sometimes I also playing guitar for release the tension, and I also love to eat traditional Melanau food such as linut or in Sabah set ambuyat. Other than that, the food is umai and the telupe. If you all want to try the Melanau food, come to Muka and find it and try it for yourself. That's all from me. Thank you.